Hi, this is Ismail from GoToTech. Today we're gonna see how to install WordPress on your server. This is the domain that we want to install WordPress on. Right now there is nothing. First step, we start by downloading WordPress files from the official website. We search WordPress download and click the first link, download WordPress, and click download WordPress. Once the files downloaded, it's time to upload them into your domain. Log into your cPanel, head to File Manager, choose the domain you want to install WordPress on, click Go, and click Upload. Choose your files. Once it's done uploading, go back. If you don't see the file, click reload. Now extract the compressed file. When you extract it, you will get all the files inside one folder called WordPress. Now reload. We delete the compressed files. We want the files inside this folder, so we highlight all these files and click move file, and just remove the WordPress. Move files, go back, and now we got all the files here. Just delete this empty folder. Now it's time to set up the database. To set up the database, we go to the cPanel, to MySQL databases. We choose a name for our database. Tutorials, let's call it tutorials. Click create database. Once created, go back. Check that it's created, and then it's time to create the user. Choose a user, choose some password. We'll call it something 135. It should be stronger than this, but just for example here, you can use the password generator to create a strong password. Now click create a user. Once created, go back, and always make sure that the user is created. Now it's time to connect the database with the user we just created. Select the user, select the database, and click add. Give it all the permissions, and click make change. Then go back and make sure the database is connected with the user you just created. Now the next step, see here, this step we already done, so we can just skip to the next one. Is to configure WordPress. We go to the domain that we uploaded the WordPress files into, and now we can refresh, and we should see WordPress configuration wizard. We choose the language, and then we click let's go. We insert our database information and the user information that connected to that database. Here's the database, and here's the user. The password is something 135. Click submit, and we should be run the install. Then we should see this form. You can now enter your site title, create a user for your admin panel on the WordPress site, choose a password for your site, enter your, just change a bit maybe, enter your email address. You can leave this unchecked, but we'll just check it because this is an example. Now we can log in with the user we just created, admin and the password. Log in. Now the WordPress is installed. Let's check the site first. Yeah, it's up and running. Last step, we go to permanent links, and this is a good practice to always put it as a post name. This is good for the SEO. Now click save changes, and we're all done. And this is how you install WordPress on your server. For any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.